Allergens are defined as substances that elicit allergic reactions, which underscores the critical importance of the immune system's role in effectively recognizing and eliminating these agents to prevent detrimental health consequences. Moreover, blood antigens present on red blood cells are essential for understanding transfusion compatibility. Their identification becomes paramount in preventing serious medical complications that could arise during blood transfusion procedures. In addition, fetal antigens present a unique challenge as they are often poorly recognized by the mother's immune system. This phenomenon illustrates the intricate complexities of the immune response that can vary significantly across different stages of life. Furthermore, antibodies generated by lymphocytes play a crucial role in combating bacteria and pathogens. Their involvement highlights the significance of immunological research and the development of treatment strategies aimed at enhancing immune responses. Additionally, breastfeeding offers newborns vital immunoglobulins, which significantly contrasts with the use of artificial formulas. Such formulas have been associated with a heightened risk of various health issues stemming from deficiencies in antibodies. Finally, immunodeficiencies may arise from genetic conditions that necessitate medical intervention. This reality emphasizes the importance of adopting comprehensive treatment strategies for effectively managing and improving immune health.